This is what comes inside this beautiful faucet. So you get the faucet itself, you get the fasteners, you get the weight, and you get the cover plate. So the weight goes on the one with the hole, so it could retract it. When you pull it, it goes back up. And this part, make sure you screw it in before you install it, so it could be nice and secure in there. So when you put on the fastening nuts on the bottom, it's nice and tight. So let's go ahead and install this. This is the faucet I'm gonna replace. You can see this part is ripped already. And where you open it from, it doesn't close all the way, so I have a leak. So it's time for an upgrade. So let's go ahead and replace this. So I took out my old faucet. Here's the new one. Make sure if you're gonna put the cover plate, you run the hoses through first. This part I already tightened. So you run the hoses through the cover plate, sit it in place. Then this one goes first, this one goes under, and this one goes under both of those to go ahead and secure that in place. So I went ahead and tightened my faucet so you can see it's nice and sturdy. And this is how it looks underneath. So you can see I tightened that, and I tightened the screws also, so that helped it secure it in place. This is underneath the sink. So here's the faucet, nice and installed. Got the cover plate on. Turn it on and off here. You could have one setting, or with the switch of a button, it's a solid stream. You can also stop it here with this button if you need to. And it's awesome because this thing goes down also. So if you need to reach down here, works great.